We start with this one. This one or this one? N. Okay, let's start with this one. How do we factorize? Yes. So, which ones are we going to put outside? Yes. We have A and D. Y. What are we going to remain with? X squared. We have x squared minus 4y squared. Then from that side, what do we do? From here, right here. Only the brackets. We use the difference of two squares. So it would be like AY bracket. AY. What do we do about this one? We will use two square. Yes. You write this number in the index form. Good. So that's what we do. We have A1 x squared minus 2 squared y squared. Now we are moving. Then from here we have ay. We can write this in difference of 2 squares. Okay, so we can have, we are going to have x minus 2y, right? And then we have x plus 2y. Done, right? Then this other one. Good. So if we factor out x, we say x, we factor out x. What do we have here? 1. We divide that. So we have 1 minus x squared. X squared. Then what do we do? We square 1. Yes. Because 1 squared is what? 1 times 1, which is just the 1. So here we have that which can be written in difference of 2 squares. So we are going to have x. So let me do that just to clarify it here. We have that. Then we can write in the difference of 2 squares. So we have that. Then we have that's 1 plus x. Done. Any question?